Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's go straight pipe the Skyline. Alright guys, let's straight pipe the Skyline. Well, not really. I'm just going to disconnect it here, see what it sounds like. Just a bit of a heads up too, guys. I will be getting back onto the wide front guards in a week or so. So stay tuned for that, guys. Still need to do the other side. So that one up there, which is the right hand side. And hopefully we can actually get some guards out of these molds. Been looking for my WD-40, it was right there the whole time. Go squirt those bolts. Should have done this when the bumper was off. Anywho, it's going to smoke a bit with all the WD-40 on it. I think they're 14s, so let's go. Right, actually see the bolts, they are 14s. Hey. Just rounded it. Damn it. That sucks. Need a deep single hex. Damn it. And a 14, which I don't have. It's poo. Well, that was a big fail. How about we just move on to the Forester and see where the boost leak is. Alrighty guys, let's jump onto the Forester, see where this boost leak is. Sorry if the audio's not the best. I don't have the mic in at the moment because it was playing up. I didn't know until we were editing, so I've got some bad audio. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to get a bumper off, but just having a look. Got some exhaust leaks, V-band, and the screamer pipe. It's been spraying out. Must have knocked on something and it's tight. Look at all that crud down there. If you can see it. And I've got a bit of work to do. I think I'll take this off the road for a little bit and button it all up properly. So these need to be removed or this turned around, just shortened. That way it's not getting any heat up there as well. You can also have some bigger catch cans up the back. Into an airbox. So we've got some cold air intake there going on. Let's first find this damn intercooler pipe or boost leak. I think I might have found it. Might have been that little nipple that I chopped off there. Yeah, I think it is. Yep. Great. Cobra has to come off. But I'll still take the bumper off, check them all, check all the couplers, make sure they're all good. So much power steering fluids there, so much dirt. Holding up, not too bad. A little bit of seepage by the looks of it on the lines. So just checking on the couplers, they look okay. This one looks like it's moved a bit, but it's all connected still, pretty sure. Yeah, it's still all connected. So yeah, looks to be that little bit there that had the nipple on it. I just put some JB weld on. So this has to come off. Alrighty guys, taking off the charge pipe between DT35 and the TD05. Get my 8mm ratchet. A bit of oil. That's not good, because I don't have anything going into the intake. That's coming through the cartridge. It's not the best airflow, look at that. Putting hot exhaust right onto the intake with the hot side of the boosted line. Might be a little bit there. That might be it. That one. Might be. Seems loose. See if I can tighten it up. Yeah, because that's pushed. Might be in that one. Isn't it? Push it. Yeah, might have been that one. Shit. Might have just found it, boys. Hardest one to get to. had an external wastegate on the up pipe, I'd probably rotate the housing, compressor housing, so it come out that way. But I don't. In the distant future, one day. That one's loose too. That might have been it. Let's check that. Looks like it's holding up alright. Yeah. I'll fix this wastegate while I'm here. The Subaru pipe, should I say? And might be the wastegate as well. I'll just tighten it up. I've actually gone through and tightened them up after quite a few heat cycles. Let's get into it. Well, it was seating better. Damn. I'm gonna have to redo this. Ugh. Alright boys, I'm gonna have to redo this exhaust. Fun. Just enjoying this as well. Enjoying it on the road. But we can't have that shit going on. So, some big things happening with this. Once again, it's coming off the road, and a lot of work is to be done. Hey, engine might even come out again. I don't know boys, but we've got to get this sorted. It needs to get on the dyno. It's just ridiculous. Been way too long. Stay tuned for next episode, boys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Thanks. Bye.